In this video, we're going to get you up to speed on key scales for teaching. Now, our first scale is 1 to 1, and it's written as a 1, a colon, full colon, and then a 1. That means 1 to 1. The next scale is 1 to 1,000. Now, these are key scales for teaching. So if you stick to these scales, everything's going to be together. Now notice that there's a small gap between the 1 and the 0. That's the new standard in science, that you don't have commas, you have gaps. Now there's a 1 to 1,000,000, which is 1,000 thousands. So that's 1 full colon, 1 and 6 zeros. Notice the small gap between the 4th and 5th zero. Now this is not place value, this is just so you can see it. Normally if you're doing place values, the units appear above it. That's not as easy. 1 to 1,000,000,000 is 1,000 million, so that's 9 zeros. Note the gaps there as you go in and do this. And the scale after that is 1 to 1,000,000,000,000. Now the trillion is 3, billion is 2, millions above, and this will have 12 zeros all in all. No commas nowadays. Now there's a designation called convenience scales, and they're listed as local as Australian teaching, and that's C0 for a 1 to 1 scale. Then to pick out the 1 to 1,000,000,000 is C1 scale, and for 1 to 1,000,000,000,000 is C2. There's in fact 6 scales: C-1, C0, C1, 2, 3, 4. C4 does the entire universe. Now to place how we can use this, 1 to 1 is your world. 1 to 1,000 is a model for where you might say place your home, draw your home in a local block. 1 to 1,000,000 is where you draw your country. 1 to 1,000,000,000 is where you'd represent our planet in the solar system. That's a convenient section. And 1 to 1,000,000,000,000 is where you would actually make a model of our local galaxy.